Hi, this is Mani from bsc to nsc.com with yet another video on this time Megh Manseta, so the person that you see in the picture here. So I read about him in an article in Business Outlook, and it was really inspiring to read his story as a long-term investor, someone who has been extremely successful. As it's been mentioned here, he started with a capital of 9 lakhs in 1991 and has achieved compounded returns of 25 to 30% annually according to Outlook, so which actually puts his current portfolio at 38 crores, which is really great. And some of his investments are really great as a long-term investor. As you can see, I've made an article here which says he invested in Infosys in 1995 and still holds it, which is extremely great because the stock market gives you 1,000 reasons to panic every time a market peaks. So it is really great that he has invested in 1995 and still holds it. So that shows the true character of his long-term investment, because people tend to panic and exit and book profits sooner or invest into bad companies. So he's made the right pick and he's invested and he has held on to it for the last 19 years. And investing in Infosys is a 3000 time multi-bagger. So he has made it big as a long-term investor. And there are other stocks also which he has invested and he has made good picks. So this is actually his investment approach. He pretty much follows what Warren Buffett has suggested, and he's actually done well. And he did his MBA in the US, and that's when he got the inspiration into Warren Buffett, from what I read. And he's also received letters from Warren Buffett. This is one of the copies that he has received. So he has followed the long-term investing approach, or proper value investing approach, investing in a business and sticking to it. So he's done great there. Some of his current portfolio includes Infosys, Group Finance, which is a subsidiary of HDFC, Bosch, Godrej Consumer Products, Hawkins, GlaxoSmithKline Consumer Healthcare. So all of them are fundamentally good, and he's invested great, and he's been sticking on to his investments once he decides to invest in a company. So it's really great that we mostly hear about only Warren Buffett and Jhunjhunwala. So here's another person long-term investor in India, who has done great and who is getting into the limelight now. So for a long-term investor like me, he is definitely an inspiration. So this video is more of long-term investors to get inspired about, and just to know that you can do this too. For beginners, read my book on art of stock investing if you want to learn about stock market investments. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also like our page on Facebook to stay in touch. That's it for now. Thank you.